How to activate US Bank credit card online. To activate a US Bank credit card online, you may follow up this process. So you can directly head over to their official website for uh, the particular bank, or you can basically go ahead and download the application available. So we can directly find a dedicated website for activating US Bank credit card. You can directly search for US Bank credit card activation and you will be finding the first link onlinebanking.usbank.com for activating your card. So just go ahead and tap on that particular link available in your web browser. And once you just go ahead and access the particular online banking website here, you will be finding section or option directly dedicated to activate your card. So here in this section, provide in your card number, the 16-digit card number. After that, the last four number of your social security number. Once that is done, just go ahead and provide in your security code for your card. And once it is completed, tap on activate. And that way you can complete the process by selecting activate and activate the US Bank credit card online very easily. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up this process to activate US Bank credit card online. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.